Go. I'm recording already. Go.
You don't look at me. Look at down. Look at Kyle. Not Nani. Look. Hey guys. It's Pretty Princess 17 back again. I'm taking my dog a walk. We outside. And this is now my sister's playing basketball with her best friends. Kind of, you know, my stepsister is recording. Because she's kind of nervous to play basketball with the boys. I'm sorry that I say that. Yeah, I'm taking the dog a walk around. Oh, let's go this side and come over here.
You want to go on that side and walk over there? Or you want to stay here? Which one?
Stay here, because we won't have the water coming with him.
Alright, because...
Come on.
So then walk, Miss Girl.
Yeah, I'm taking my dog a walk. It's gonna be some videos coming, like, it's gonna be a pop challenge. You know, red light, green light, we're gonna do that.
Wait, let me get a better view, Miss Girl. Go. We can't talk. Go ahead.
Yeah, we're gonna do some challenges. I was trying to get my brother to help me do the challenges, and nah, he wanna play the game. You know, boys, how they are. You wanna go over there?
No, I don't. I just want to walk here because there's nobody here, so like, you know.
No, the sun is over there. It's not over here. It's cold over here. Yeah.
Okay, wait, keep talking.
Anyway, I got new followers.
Subscribers.
I said followers, something subscribers. I got new subscribers. Subscribe, like the videos, watch a couple of my videos.
Like, comment, subscribe.
Watch a couple of my videos. The drinking challenge with my stepsister. It was crazy. And yeah, to be new some challenges, I'm waiting for more. I get more subscribers. That's how I'm waiting. Thank you to some 75 subscribers.
Already?
Yeah.
Oh shit! Damn, I didn't know that.
Like, it's wait for later. Like, my stepbrother come downstairs to help us to do some videos in the party. Bye.